Good afternoon, everyone. This is Gautam. Today, we are going to see about constitutional provisions of citizenship. First, what is citizenship? A citizenship is a status of a person recognized under the custom or law as being a legal member of a sovereign state or belonging to a nation. The idea of citizenship has been defined as the capacity of an individual to defend their rights in front of the government authority. Next, citizenship can be attained by birth, by soil, by registration or naturalization. Next, the Constitution, Article 5. Article 5 speaks about the citizen of India at any commencement of Constitution. Article 11 gave power to the Parliament of India to regulate rights of citizens by law. The provision resulted in enactment of Citizenship Act in 1955 by the Indian Parliament. Next is Article 6, right of citizens of certain person who has migrated to India from Pakistan. Article 7, right of citizenship certain migrants to Pakistan. Article 8, right of citizenship of certain persons of Indian origin residing outside India. Article 9, person voluntarily acquiring citizenship of a foreign state not to be citizens. Article 10, continuance of a right of citizens. Article 11, Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. Next is nationality. A nationality is a legal relationship between an individual person and a state. Nationality affords the state jurisdiction over the power and affords the person the protection of the state. By custom and international convention, it is the right of each state to determine who is a national are. Next is domicile. Domicile, the status or attribution of being a lawful permanent resident in a particular jurisdiction. A person can remain domiciled in a jurisdiction even after he has left it if he has maintained sufficient links with the jurisdiction or has not displayed an intention to live permanently. Next is citizenship under Citizenship Act 1955. Citizenship by birth, citizenship by descent, citizenship by registration, citizenship by naturalization, depreciation of rights, citizenship. Next is non-residence Indian or NRI, overseas Indian, officially known as non-resident Indian, are people of Indian birth or descent or origin who live outside the Republic of India. Next is overseas citizenship. Overseas citizenship of India is an immigrant status residing a foreign citizen of India to live or work in the Republic of India indefinitely. Next important case laws is Pradeep Jain versus Union of India, Lucia versus Union of India, Mohammed Rasif versus State of Bombay. Thank you.